Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Vsco photo editor app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Vsco is a popular photo and video editing app that provides users with a wide range of filters, presets, and editing tools to enhance images and videos. The app allows adjustments to exposure, contrast, saturation, and more, as well as creative effects for artistic content. Users can also shoot photos and videos directly in the app using its built-in camera, and share their creations with the global Vsco community. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. The app is appreciated by photographers, content creators, and casual users for its intuitive interface, smooth editing workflow, and high-quality presets. Many users like the ability to experiment with creative filters, adjust details with precision, and share edited content easily. Vsco also provides a platform for discovering other creators' work, which inspires new ideas and styles. Still, the app isn't without its downsides. While many editing tools are free, access to premium presets, advanced features, and high-resolution exports requires a subscription. Some users report that learning all the tools and features may take time, and the social community features may not appeal to everyone. Additionally, some editing functions are more limited compared to professional desktop software. If you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button, it really supports the channel. In summary, the Vsco app may be worth using if you're looking for a mobile-friendly, creative, and stylish photo and video editing platform. It shines in intuitive design, high-quality filters, and social inspiration. However, if you need advanced editing tools or free full access, it might not fully meet your needs. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.